Good morning, dear students. Students, we are doing chapter area related to circles, and this is the last lecture of this chapter. We left with only 3 questions of last exercise 12.3. So, students, let's start with question number 14. AB and CD are respectively arcs of two concentric circles of radii 21 cm and 7 cm with center O. If angle AOB is 30 degree, find the area of the shaded region. Students, here we have two concentric circles. What are concentric circles? Those circles which have the same center. So in this way, these are the two concentric circles having radius 7 centimeter and 21 centimeter. If we cut this piece from this concentric circle, then we get this type of sector. So here angle AOB is given as 30 degree. Find the area of the shaded region. This is the shape of a sector. So here we have to follow the working rule as first find the area of sector AOB, then find the area of sector COD, and after subtracting both we get the shaded region. So here area of sector is radius is given 21 centimeter and theta is 30 degree. Area of sector AOB is theta over 360 pi r squared. Now using the given values we get on calculating 231 over 2 square centimeter. After that area of sector COD. Here we have radius 7 centimeter and theta is 30 degree. So area of sector COD is theta over 360 pi r square. Again, by using the given values, theta is 30 and radius is 7. 7 to 7 will cancel out and 0 to 0 will cancel out. 3 to this cancel out 1, 12. So in this way we get 77 over 6 square centimeter. Area of shaded region is equals to area of sector AOB minus area of sector COD. So here we get 231 over 2 minus 77 over 6. By taking the LCM and doing subtraction, we get the answer 308 over 3 square centimeter. So this is the area of shaded region. Next question is, this question is most important. Okay, here we have ABC, a quadrant of a circle of radius 14 centimeter, and a semicircle is drawn with BC as the diameter. Okay, find the area of the shaded region. Student, this is very important question. In this question we have to adopt this working rule. First we have to find area of semicircle BEC. Okay, here we have the BC as the diameter, but we don't have BC, length of BC. So we have to calculate the length of diameter. So here next we have to calculate area of quadrant ABDC. Here radius is given 14 centimeter and angle is given 90 degree. And after that find the area of triangle ABC. Okay, this is the right angle triangle. Its formula is half into base into height. Radius is 14 centimeter. Area of quadrant ABDC is 1 by 4 area of circle. You can write the formula pi r square theta over 360. If we put the value of theta as 90 degree, in this way we get 90 over 360, that is 1 by 4. So by using the values we get 154 square centimeter is the area of this quadrant. Okay, now we have to find the area of triangle ABC. In this way we get half into base into height. Base is AC is 14 centimeter, height is AB again 14 centimeter. We get 98 square centimeter is the area of triangle. Now students, we have calculated the area of quadrant and area of triangle. Okay, after that we have to find the area of semicircle BEC. So students, first we have to find the diameter BC. Here we have a right angle triangle. By using the Pythagoras theorem, we have perpendicular and base. So by using the values of perpendicular and base as 14 centimeter, so write here square of 14 plus square of 14. This will comes 2 times. Now by taking the under root of BC, so we get here BC is equals to 14 under root 2 centimeter. So this is the value of the diameter, but we need to calculate here the radius. So its radius must be half. We will write here 7 under root 2. So here we have radius 7 under root 2 centimeter. Now area of semicircle BEC is the half of the area of circle, that is pi r square over 2. Using the value r is equals to 7 root 2, we get 154 square centimeter. This is the area of semicircle. Now we have to find the shaded region. For that, area of semicircle BEC, okay, minus area of quadrant minus area of triangle ABC. So that we get by calculating 98 square centimeter. Hence area of shaded region is 98 square centimeter. Student, this is very easy. First we have to calculate the area of quadrant. Okay. After that you have to find the area of triangle ABC. If we subtract these two, if we subtract the area of triangle from area of quadrant, then we get this region. Region is BDCB. Now we have to subtract this region from the semicircle to get the shaded region. So in this way we get the answer 98 square centimeter. Now students, we have the last question of this exercise. Question number 16. Calculate the area of the designed region in the figure common between the two quadrants of circles of radius 8 centimeter each. Here we have given two quadrants. Okay, and we have to find the designed region that lies within the square. So let's start. Area of designed region is equals to area of first quadrant plus area of second quadrant. If we add the area of two quadrants, then in this way the designed area will be added 2 times minus area of square. So area of first quadrant is theta over 360 pi r square, and here theta is 90 degree and pi is 22 over 7. Radius is given as 8. So we get 352 over 7 square centimeter. In the same way, this is the area of second quadrant. So area of square will be square of side, and side is 8. So we get 64 square centimeter. Now we find the area of designed area. This will be area of first quadrant plus area of second quadrant minus area of square. Students, if we add the area of two quadrant, and we need only the designed area. So if we subtract complete area of square, then we get this repeated designed area. So in this way we get the answer 256 over 7 square centimeter. So students, in this way today we have completed the chapter 12 chapter area related to circles. Hopefully this is very easy and interesting chapter. Hopefully all of you get understand. So thank you for watching the complete video. If you like my video, then please like, share and subscribe.